Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove minimum age restriction on Instagram. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up Instagram. And in here, there are some few things that you would need to check. First up, your account should be a professional account. Okay. Now, to do that, go ahead and go to your profile picture right here at the bottom right. Tap on it. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines. As you can see here, mine is already a professional account. So tap on the three horizontal lines. Now scroll all the way down until you find the for professional section. Okay, right here under business tools and controls, tap on it. Now scroll down and find switch account type. And here, make sure that you're under the professional account. As you can see here, my option is set to personal account, but yours might be different. Make sure that you select professional account. All right, there will be some simple prompts that you need to follow. Just to follow it. And then once that's done, once you are on your profile, go back to the three dots or three horizontal lines again. Now go and scroll down and find, again, business tools and controls. Okay. In here, we have a minimum age. You're going to want to tap on it. And if you have a minimum age right here, all you need to do is just tap on remove. Okay. And if you want to add, for example, I'm going to go ahead and add maybe 18. All right. And then tap on the check mark right here. As you can see, when we go back to minimum age, you can just easily tap on remove. And once done, you're good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.